Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be an easy glam makeup look, something that most people should be able to follow along with. So grab your brushes and your makeup and come and get glam with me. So in this intro, I do not have makeup on, so sorry about that. I did this video another day and filmed my intro today. So if you want to see how I get the makeup look that is in the thumbnail, then please just keep on watching. Alright, for foundation today, I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Pro Glow, and I'm using the shade 201. This is a dewy foundation, which I'm sure most of you know that by now. It's not a new foundation. And I'm going to be blending this in with my Eco Tools brush. You can get these at Walmart. They're really soft. And they're also really affordable, which is great too. So I'm just going to blend this in really good. Make sure you take it back to them ears. You don't want to have a line of demarcation right there. It's not cute. It's not cute, you guys. Okay, we're still blending. I'm going to drag it down my neck, as you can see me do right there. Oh, and I do have my eyebrows on already, you guys, and I'll have all the products down in the description box down below. So if I forget to tell you what I'm using, look down there. Here I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Fair, putting this under my eyes, blending it out with the same brush. And I like to put it in a triangle shape. It just flatters your face better. I'm also going to put this on my eyelids to prime for eyeshadow. I'm going to drag it down my nose, put it on my Cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead to highlight. And then blend this all out with that same really soft Eco Tools brush. For setting the concealer, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me in 05 Fair. And I'm just going to set all of the areas that I applied concealer first. And then I'm going to lightly dust some of that powder all over my face because since this is a dewy foundation, it is a little bit more tacky. I'm going to take Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to bronze up the skin. And then for blush, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. blush palette, and I'm going to take this really pretty pink shade in the palette, and I'm going to stipple this on to the apples of my cheeks and just kind of blend backward. For highlight, I'm going to be taking the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to take that peach highlight, and I'm going to just hit the tops of my cheekbones with that. Sorry if you hear my baby in the background. I have 4 kids, so. Okay, so this highlighter, you guys, all the highlighters in this palette are amazing. So I'm going to take that above the brows a little bit, just to give them a little bit of a lift. And then I'm also going to put it on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and I like to put it on my chin as well, but if you're oily, you know, you can skip some of those places or just not use highlight. Totally up to you. Eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using that same Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to be taking that first shade in the palette. It's like a peachy color for my transition shade. And I'm going to run this through the crease from outer corner to inner corner using windshield wiper motions and circular motions, as you can see me doing here. We're going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to be taking the third shade in the Carli Bible palette, and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner of the eye. And once most of the product leaves my brush, I will then drag it inward through the crease, though. I'm not putting this all over the lid. I hope none of you mind my kids in the background, but I love filming and I want to do makeup videos and everything for you guys, so hopefully the kids don't mind, you don't mind the kids in the background. Okay, so I put on the white eyeshadow from this palette on the inner half of my eyelid as well as the brow bone, and then off camera I went ahead and put on some eyeliner and false lashes. Now on the bottom here, I'm taking the darkest brown in this palette and a little bit more of a denser brush, and I'm going to drag this on the lower lash line. And then we're going to take the first shade in the palette again and just kind of buff out that harsh line that we put underneath. And then I'm going to take the third color. So whatever colors I put in my crease, I'm going to drag on the lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to mix these two highlighters, the peach one and the really white one, and pop those on the inner corners. And here I'm lining my lips with NYX lip liner. I think this is in the shade Nude, but like I said before, all of the products that I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Catsuit Lippy, and again, I don't know the shade. And then this color, though, is so pretty, you guys. Like for spring and summer, I am obsessed. Love it. So I'm just putting this on my lips here. And then for mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I'm going to pop that on my lower lashes. I did put some on my upper lashes as well before I applied my falsies off of camera. Look at that highlight, you guys. Look at that highlight. Beautiful. Alright, you guys, this is a completed look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.